This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Cabin air filter replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Support the hood with the prop rod. Unscrew the fasteners and remove the right side cowl grille screen. Remove the windshield washer fluid reservoir bolts and relocate the reservoir away from the cabin filter housing. Unclip the two tabs holding the filter housing to the cowl. Then remove the filter from the housing. Install the new filter element into the housing with the arrow pointing toward the rear of the vehicle. Install the cover securing the top clips. Reposition the windshield washer reservoir back onto its mounting bracket and install the bolts. Tighten the bolts securely, but don't crack the plastic. Install the right side cowl grille screen. Secure the screen with the weather strip and retaining fasteners.